Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to start the new chapter, that is our 6th chapter, conservation of diversity. Okay, what do you mean by conservation? Conservation means Sarankshan. Okay, conservation means you have to make it safety, means you have to make the don't want to disturb, don't want to be destroyed. Okay, biodiversity means what is that? Bio means what? Life. What is that? What are that life means on the earth? Animals, plants and microorganisms are living. These are the living sources. Okay, natural sources. So we should not be destroy our biodiversity. Okay, so that chapter this is the including about this. So we will study in this chapter. Before going to chapter this, we have to see what are the learning objects in this chapter. See students, first of all we have to discuss about that what is the biodiversity. Second one is causes of loss of biodiversity. Third, causes of deforestation, consequence of deforestation, recycling of paper and reforestation, flora and fauna, endemic, extinct and endangered species, protected area. These 8 parts generally we will discuss mainly in this chapter. Okay friends, so before that before the chapter, what are the introduction about this chapter? Students, what do you mean by that natural resources? Do you have idea? That means the sources which we are getting from the nature. Okay, the nature, what are things we are getting? If we see that animals, plants, microorganisms, sunlight, water, air, land, soil, these are all the things we are getting from the nature, I mean from the earth. Okay, if you are getting this, these are called as natural resources. Okay, so before that, what is the definition of natural resources we will see, and what are the types of natural resources we will see also. The substances that which are found in the nature, which substance you are find from the nature, we are getting, suppose we will say sunlight. Where we are getting? From the nature we are getting, from the sun. Okay, if we say that animals, it is created by the nature first. Okay, plants, animals, whatever, the water, air, it is created by the nature and we are getting from the nature. That substances are called, or the earth, and that can be used by the human beings. Whatever it is created by the nature and we are using, that is called as natural resources. And these natural resources classified into two categories, two things, two types. One is living natural resources, second one is non-living natural resources. Living natural resources, what is that? Especially animals, plants, microorganisms are the examples or are called as natural resources. But if we see that non-living naturals are generally air, water, soil, sunrises, sunrays, sun energy, that these are called as non-living natural resources. So students, these natural resources or that non-living natural resources, that means these are the correlated to each other, and that human especially we are using this non-living natural resources. But nowadays you have seen that all living organisms or that especially human beings, they are destroying the natural resources. Okay, what are that? Especially suppose our environment, our area, whatever that pollutant coming and we are destroying, we are cutting the tree, we are making that deforestation. So we are destroying that our resources. So we have to make the conservation. We have to make the conservation of the forest. That means afforestation we have to do. Don't want to do the deforestation. If you will cut the plants, then the deforestation it will be. Then after rain won't come. Then if that drought will come, then we won't get that water. So all ecosystem systems will be destroyed. So whatever the related things we will discuss in this chapter, friends. Okay, so you should write down this all the natural today about the introduction, learning objects, and what are the natural resources, what are the two types, living natural resources and non-living natural resources. Next tomorrow we will go and we will discuss about that what is the biodiversity, okay, and what is the causes, why the conservation of diversity we will discuss. Okay, thank you all of you.